If you're choosing between Chatwoot and Evolution API, this isn't even a typical comparison. It's front-end platform versus back-end infrastructure. So which one is actually better? Let's break it down. Chatwoot is a customer support platform. It gives you a shared inbox, live chat, WhatsApp integration, automation, and a dashboard where agents can reply to customers across channels. It's basically your control center for conversations, designed for teams, not developers. But here's the catch. It doesn't handle the actual messaging infrastructure itself. For WhatsApp especially, it often relies on external APIs, like Evolution API or official providers, to connect. Evolution API is the opposite. It's a back-end API layer that connects directly to WhatsApp and other messaging systems. It provides REST APIs, webhooks, multi-instance support, and integrations with tools like Chatwoot and 8N and AI systems. In simple terms, it's what actually sends and receives messages under the hood. But here's the catch. It has no UI, no inbox, no agent dashboard, no CRM. You have to build everything yourself or connect it to tools like Chatwoot. So the real difference is this. Chatwoot helps you talk to customers, while Evolution API helps you connect to WhatsApp programmatically. So which one is better? Choose Chatwoot if you want a ready-to-use support platform with inbox, agents, and customer management. Choose Evolution API if you want full control over WhatsApp automation and are building your own system. Bottom line, this is a key insight most people miss. Chatwoot versus Evolution API is the wrong question. They're designed to work together, not compete. For most real businesses, Evolution API equals back-end message engine. Chatwoot equals front-end team dashboard. If you had to pick one, Chatwoot is more practical. But if you're building serious automation, you'll likely need both. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.